Hi, I'm Chelsea from Bezla. Key concerns in the management of hotel maintenance department personnel include job qualifications, on-the-job supervision, and employee productivity. Depending on the size of the hotel and the complexity of the equipment, the way in which the departmental organization is structured will vary, as will the needs for management. Management personnel for the hotel engineering department will need to have some level of mechanical and electrical skills. The smaller the hotel, the more the engineering manager will have a hands-on role with regard to maintenance. As staff size grows and departmental responsibilities increase, the engineering manager becomes much more a manager and much less a line worker. Line staff for engineering need very broad skills in maintenance at the small hotel level, where they perform a varied list of tasks. Usually, these staff members need an education in the electrical, mechanical, and plumbing trades beyond that available in high school. Ideally, they would have several years of experience in these fields. As a screening technique, many hotel operations develop a set of technical questions about maintaining the types of equipment they own. Applicants then must try to answer these questions. In addition, since maintenance staff are sometimes required to lift heavy objects, they should be in good health and physical condition. You should consider using a physical examination as part of the hiring process. If you do use physical examinations in the United States, you must by law require them for everyone applying for a given job. Requiring physical examinations selectively violates the Americans with Disabilities Act. Since engineering staff work all over the hotel, often under minimal direct supervision, individuals need to be reliable and capable of working on their own. In addition, they need to be aware of what constitutes good workmanship and proper safety procedures, and of what complies with local codes. While their trade training should provide much of this, the hotel still needs to establish and communicate its own standards regarding, for example, appearance and how to address guests and fellow employees. A PM program will keep equipment operating at or near its peak, minimizing time and cost-consuming breakdowns and making scheduling of work in engineering much more possible. The work order system measures the amount of work being requested of the department and enables management to see the backlogs and production of the employees. An employee training program will continue the process of skills improvement in maintenance, enhance overall job safety, and generally create a climate which helps workers in this department view themselves as valued team members. The proper operation of the maintenance department can significantly improve property operations and contribute to a positive net operating income for the hotel. If Bezla could be a service for your hotel marketing, call us at 888-999-8086 or visit us at bezla.com.